Hey everybody, so I have the Insta360 X3, so I wanted to get myself the remote so I can control it if it's on top of my head or somewhere else that I don't have access to it. So we're going to give this thing a shot here. This is the GPS Action Remote, so it should be tagging my videos too with a location, which is kind of cool too. So when I'm going to Africa in a couple of weeks, I'll be able to track everything. Well, the sticker is so hard to get open. There we go. So, okay, so we're opening it up. Boy, it's a big box and a little item. So this is the remote, I guess, here. What else is in here? I'm not sure. We'll see that in a second. And instructions. And it looks like a USB to USB-C to charge it. And that's it. Wow, huge box for very little stuff. No. So let's see what's in this little pouch here. Oh, I guess this is the, so you can have it as a wrist strap, kind of like an iPhone wrist strap, or you can mount it to stuff as well. So I'll be mounting it to my bike, so I can put this around the bike handle, and then I'll be able to just control it right from there. So that's pretty cool. So let's take off the little screen protector here. Let's figure out how to turn this thing on. See if I can figure it out without any instructions. Let's see. What do I need to do? I guess I can't. Let's see. Looks like that bottom one looks like some sort of power button. See the buttons there? So we're gonna try it and see if it does anything. Oh, I held it down and it seems to do it. Turn on my Insta360. Oh, it's low on batteries already, this one, so. So we gotta do probably pair new. So we're gonna swipe down. Settings, and then it looks like this is the remote, Bluetooth remote, pair new, connecting. Oh, move it over here. And it says searching. Please make sure the device, oh, there it is. Insta360 GPS remote. So I'll click that. I don't know if you can see, it says it's pairing now, I guess. It says connecting. I'm guessing this remote looks like there's just the one button that does anything. I did click it. Hopefully it will connect. Let's see if I'm doing something wrong here. Let me look at the instructions. Oh, remote control connection failed. So let's see, what do I need to do to make it work? Okay, so installed on our wrist. We have that part pairing. Okay, to pair it, press the power button on the remote to turn it on. Press the shutter button to enter the settings. Press the shutter button here and new. Click Insta360 GPS on the camera's Bluetooth remote. Well, we did it right. It just didn't want to go. So let's try it again. Okay, Insta360 GPS remote. Oh, there we go. Now it says remote connected. Okay, so that time it did connect. Oh, so now I can control things from this. Oh, so I can start recording from the remote. That's pretty cool. So now it's recording, and I can stop it from the remote too. Oh, which is pretty much all I need it for. So that's what I'm gonna be using it for. So very cool. So that is connected up pretty quick and easy. Does it say if it's recording? Let me see if I do the recording. Oh yeah, it says 2 hours and 9 minutes. Oh yeah, it says 1 second. So it's got my recording speed and all the other information on there. You can kind of see it. So very cool. So I'm gonna say this is awesome, and we can stop it. Very cool. Need to charge it up. Oh wait, no, it is charged. Oh no, my camera's charged. Oh, that's cool. It tells me my camera battery, and then it's got my battery from that. What happens if I hold down the button? Switching to inner single lens. So I can do things like that too, holding down the button. I'm gonna have to try all the different buttons and see what it is. There's also buttons on the side here. Let's see what this button on the side does. Ah, it changes between video and photo. Ah, pretty cool. So now I'm in video mode. 4K, 30, it's got all different settings. Wow, I don't even know all the settings on the Insta360. Oh, and then we hit the power and it powers it off. Pretty cool. Very cool. Very nice. So I'm going to say this little remote is very cool. So I'm going to be using this. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.